Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera distortion on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, and you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. After enter phone pin, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so clean camera lens. After clean camera lens, after cleaning, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search camera app from here. Click on camera app and click on storage usage. Click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last option is reset camera settings. Click on camera app and click on this 4-line icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, and here showing you reset option, click on reset. You will see camera setting is reset. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.